That's 3,000. Haven't put much water in it. Alright, now watch the smoke coming out of this thing. So it's misfiring a little bit. Now I've got to see if you can see the smoke. Just burning all the carbon out. And just keep going like that. Don't let any water sit in the bottom of the inlet manifold. It'll suck it up and bend the con rod. So that's how you clean out a sticky piston ring. I've got a fault code on the dash. It'll go away in a minute. Accelerator thing slip. Off your mark. Give it another rev. Clear it out. Unfortunately, this is what you got to do when Grandma puts around town and clogs the engine up. This is clearing the catalytic converter all around the top of the pistons, spark plugs, everything, steam cleaning, everything. Last go I took it for a run, this thing was cracking. Not a first couple of minutes. So anyway, like I said, don't let water build up. Doesn't hurt anything if you do it right. Thanks for watching.